having checked in, I was guided by Neil down to a pitch, and he chose me a very nice one. But more about the checking in a minute. All right.
There you go.
Okay, thank you very much.
And then just chuck it from there.
Yeah, I'll go forward a little bit so I can go back on the chocks.
Oh, you got plenty of room behind.
Have I? Oh, right, okay, great. Yeah. Thank you.
No
Thank you very much indeed.
There you go.
That little drive was through the seaside town of Minehead and then up the hill to this very, very nice campsite, the Minehead club site, which is part of, or belongs to the Camping and Caravan Club. And I booked online and I went into reception and the lady said, her name's Chris by the way, the lady said, name? I said, Charteris. And she looked down the list and said, oh, I haven't got you on the list. I said, well, I've got the booking confirmation here. So she looked at it and she said, oh, that's for next week. When I arrived, I said, I'm 10 minutes earlier than the time I said I would arrive. Well, it was 1 week and 10 minutes early. But they were very, very good. Chris and Neil sorted me out with a fabulous pitch. It's on the slope a little bit, but it's sloping, for me, it's sloping the right way. So my head's above my feet at night. And if I roll, I'm rolling into the side of the van rather than onto the floor. So that's it's really good. And the view from here is fabulous. Well, there's Gwendolyn there, and if you swing round, somewhere on the other side of that hill over there is Cardiff, and there's Bridgewater Bay, and looking down onto the town of Minehead. There we have the town, and those white things there, a canopy, they are actually Butlins holiday camp. I've come here to chill out for a couple of days with a doom bar, cold doom bar. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. Relax. Yeah, it really is a lovely site, and being a member of the Camping and Caravan Club, I got a whopping great big discount, which I was very happy about. So I'm going to enjoy it, chill out, do nothing virtually. But down there I can see the town, I can see the railway station for the West Somerset Railway, and I did a video on that a couple of 3 years ago. Nice ride. This is also a bit of an experiment time because I've got the solar panels out there and the cable goes in through the window, and for the moment I've got the power pack generator on the table, but it won't stay there. And into the power pack I've plugged my laptop, and that's feeding my laptop, and as a result it's putting in 78 watts and taking out 63, 64, 65 watts. So it's actually generating more power than the laptop needs. That's interesting. After a very nice meal, I've settled down for the evening with a Jack Daniel's flavoured with honey, and tomorrow I'll go down into the town and have a little look around a little more slowly than I drove through. Anyway, I've got to decide how to get down there and back again, because I don't particularly want to wrap up Gwendolyn, and I don't know whether my bicycle, whether the battery will get me back up this very steep hill to get here. Anyway, we'll work out a way. So thanks for watching episode 1, and I hope you come back and have a look around the town with me in episode 2. So for now, good night and cheers.